Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number K3125. The K3125 series is a laminate type kick plate. Very common to see laminate plates. I see them real often in movie theaters where they kind of want to do a color on their kick plates rather than an architectural metal like aluminum or brass, bronze, or stainless steel. And being laminate, you'll be able to, dust from the factory aside, you'll be able to do colors that might be quite complementary to your installation. This K3125 happens to be in the brown color, and it's just literally called brown, is what it's called. Beige, black, brown, pewter gray, and white are available colors on this. The K3125 tells us things about the kick plate, and then you specify the color. For instance, it tells us that this is a kick plate that measures 0.125 thick, 1/8 of an inch. Tells us that we're going to have a specific bevel treatment to the unit itself. And let me pull up the link below this video to the document called Product Brochure so that we can review that. They don't detail exactly this beveled treatment, but it is for sure going to be beveled. And you can kind of see there, well, chamfer really. There's a chamfer on all four sides, which is standard. You wouldn't have a laminated kick plate without a bevel like that. So be mindful that it will be chamfered like this on all four sides. A typical installation is going to certainly include screws. You don't have to ask for screws and for the fact that it will be drilled because that's the way that it's going to come. Okay, the options can be a few options. First of all, regarding the screws, you can order these as countersunk holes if you wanted the screw to sit a bit flusher. These are like a panhead type screw, so they've got a short yet wide head to accommodate right through that hole, those holes. Okay. Countersinking is very common. Might look a little bit nicer because the head of the screw, while it's an oval head screw, is a bit smaller on the overall diameter of the head of the screw. You can skip the screws and the holes altogether and go with an SA for self-adhesive. If you want to put these on with tape, we can supply it that way. So two-sided tape on the backside is what will get it onto the door. Then finally, you can do cutouts in this material. Not that a kick plate would have a cutout for anything that I can think of. Well, I suppose it's possible. You might need it cut out for a louver. I'm just grasping at straws. Don't see kick plates with cutouts. However, if you were doing an armor plate, something up to 4 foot tall, let's say, you're probably going to look for something to have a cutout in it for a lock set, things of that nature. I suppose if you were doing a kick plate that might be a little bit taller, maybe an armor plate that might be 16-inch tall, you might want a mail slot preparation done in it. If you're doing the same material as a push plate, you could order it, K3125 is 4x16, and you might want a hole in it for a cylinder for your deadbolt or something of that nature. Anything can be done, and that's a hallmark of Rockwood. The phrase "anything can be done" really suits their their company description quite elegantly. That covers the options that are available. The colors we've talked about. You've got your height. That's the first dimension for a kick plate. It's like a hinge, 8x34, let's say, and that is indeed the size of this plate. Okay. And that link to the product catalog down below will show you the part number for the K4125, which is the same specifications except that it's clear. You've seen clear as well. I think in retail you'll see clear on the door going to the stock room. They don't want hardware to attract the eye as much. In that sort of scenario, you might have white laminated doors, and although you could get a white laminated kick plate, be mindful that you're going to have, it won't be white up on the edge completely, so maybe using clear there might be a detail that you might want to steer towards. The balance of the extended information in the product, the extended detailed information, just simply tells us the fasteners that are included, 3/4 inch. They call them TH for truss head. That is true. They're a little bit wider of a head, a truss head. And then finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog where you can review all things Rockwood related. And obviously keep in mind that they can do more than just laminated kick plates. They can certainly do architectural metal, aluminum, brass, bronze, stainless steel, different thicknesses, every preparation and option that you might require. Any questions on the K3125 laminated kick plate, 1/8 inch thick, or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.